If you create a pivot table in Excel that has dates, you may notice Excel automatically grouping those dates based on year and month and other classifications. Now, if you don't want this, or if you do want it, I'm going to show you how you can turn this setting on or off. So if you go under the Excel options, under File and Options, then under the Data section, there's an option to disable automatic grouping of date and time columns in pivot tables. So if you want that off, check that option off. And now what I'm going to do is delete this pivot table and create it again. And now when I do so, Excel is no longer going to automatically apply any groupings to my dates when I put them in here. I can still manually group them. So if I right click group, I can select if I want them grouped by months and years and so on, but it's not going to automatically do that for me. So if you want that turned off, just go to the File and Options section and go to the Data section, and then you can check off that option to turn that automatic grouping on or off.